Good morning, children. Today in this session we are going to start addition. How to add numbers. Okay, children, you must have learned in your class 2 how to add three-digit number. Okay, but in this class, children, we are going to learn how to add four-digit numbers. Okay, so before we start, let's take a quick recall what we had learned in class 2. Okay, children. So we had learned about the addition of numbers by grouping tens and ones. Okay. So here let's start number 1. So here 219 plus 420. Okay, so what do we do here? First we write the hundreds number, tens and ones. So in 201, 2 is at the position of 100 and 1 is at the position of tens and 9 is at the position of ones. Similarly here 420, 4 is at the position of 100, then 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay, children, then we'll add the numbers which are at hundreds place, like 2 and 4. So here 2, 4, then the numbers which are at tens place, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we add numbers which are at ones place. Okay, 2, 0. So 2 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 0, 2. So the number becomes 632. So if we add 219 plus 420, it will come 632. Okay, children. So let's move to next question. Add the following. Okay. So here 100, tens and ones. So 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 5, 8 and 6 plus 2, 8. Got it, children? So do other sums also like this. Okay. Then we'll again move to next. Third, add the following. 6 plus 7, 13. Okay. Here the carryover is there. Then we take carryover here. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, children. So do other sums also in your copy. Then we'll move on to the next sums, that is the 4. Okay, so children, 726 passengers were traveling in a metro train. So how many passengers were traveling in a metro train? 726. At one station the number of passengers increased by 103. So when other station comes, so again 103 passengers they join this metro train. So how many passengers are there in the train now? Okay, so we have to add these numbers to tell the total number of passengers in a metro train. So we'll write here 7, write here 2, we write here 6, then 106. Okay, so we'll add these numbers. So how do we add this number? 6 plus 3, 9, then 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So how many passengers are there? 209. And we can write here also. So 726 passengers, number of passengers in train. Okay, then we write here 700. Then again number of passengers who joined the train. Okay, these. Okay, then total number of passengers. Total number of passengers. Okay, write this spelling, children. Okay, so here. So how we'll do like this? We'll write the statements. Okay, children. Number of passengers then number of passengers who joined the train, then total number of passengers. Okay, so like this we'll do the other sums. Okay, we'll fill in the boxes, children. See in this, fill in the boxes. So 152 plus 258 is equal to, who is equal to 152. So we write here, because 152 is here, 152 is here. So here what comes here? 258. Okay, same number. Then 419 plus 163. So over here is written 419, 119. So what should be here? 163. So these numbers, they are equal to these numbers. Okay, so this we have to write here. Then fill in the boxes again, children. 7th, 735 plus 0. So if we add 0 to any number, it will remain same. So 735. Okay, 252 plus, again, because here it is 252, so here we write here 0. Okay, then plus 0 is equal to 369. So what number should be here? 369. Okay, children. So in this way, do rest of the sums. Then we'll move on to the 8th sums by rounding of the numbers. See. So 148 plus 281. So what will be the number? What it becomes? It becomes 9. Then we add 8, 4, 12, and 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 4, 429 it becomes. Okay, so what do we write here? So how do we do the rounding nearest 10? We'll add, we remove the 9 over here and we write here 0, and then we add 10. Okay, so what it becomes? It becomes, so here what should we write here? Okay, let's do 420 plus 10, it becomes 430. Okay, similarly here also do these sums. Then we'll move on to rounding by 100. So we'll remove both of the number at the 100th place and at the at the 10th place and at the 1's place. So if we add these numbers, 348, so what it becomes? 8 1 1 10, 8 plus 1 9, then 9 plus 4 13, 9 plus 9 plus 4 13, 3, then 2 plus 3 5, and plus 1 6. So again we'll make both of the 10th place and 1's place 0, and then we'll add here, which number we'll add here? 100. Okay, so what does it becomes? So we'll write here 630, 600. Okay, so we'll write here 600. Because at both the place it becomes 0. Okay, and then we'll add over here 100. So what it becomes? 700. Okay, children. So this is the nearest 100. Then we'll move on to next. Three-digit numbers. Okay. Now, by adding, children, we have already learned that by adding three-digit number, then sometimes you'll get the sum which is of four-digit number. Okay, so let's see here. The number is 998 and we have to add 7 over it. So look here, children, 8 plus 7 becomes 5. Okay, sorry, 8 plus 7 15. So 1 is taken carry over here. 9 plus 1, 10. So we write 0 at tens place and we take carry over hundreds place. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10. Again we write here 0 at hundreds place and we'll take carry over at thousands place. And because there is no number over here, so we write here 1. So now the number is 1005. So by adding 3-digit numbers, we'll get 4-digit numbers. Okay. Then again example number 2. Here again we are going to add 958 and 67. So what do we do? First we add the ones which are at numbers which are at ones place, like here 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 50. Okay, so we write here 5 and we take carry over here. Then again we'll add the number which are at tens place. So tens place 5 plus 6 and the carry also 1 becomes 12. So we write here 12 and we take the carry over at hundreds place. Then again step 3, we'll add the numbers which are at 100 place, 1 and 9. Okay, so 1 is a carry and 9 is a number, so it becomes 10. So we write here 10 and we write over 0 here and we'll take the carry over at thousands place. Okay, then again we'll move on to the next number. Then because at thousands place there is no number, only 1 is there, so we write here 1 as it is. So the number becomes 1025. Okay children, so we'll move on to the next. Children, in this way do the other examples also, because same pattern is following over here also. Now we'll move on to the exercise 2.1. We add the following: 8 plus 9, 17. Okay children, so we'll write here 7, then we'll take and carry over 100 tens place. 9 plus 1, 10. We write over 0 here and we'll take carry over at hundreds place. And again 9 plus 1, 10. We write over 0 here and we write 1 over at thousand place. So there is no number at thousand place, we write here 1. So what is the number? 1007. So do other sums in the same way children, and then we'll move on to the second. We have already seen in the examples children how to add these numbers, so do the other sums also. Then we'll move on to the third. We are going to add here 3-digit numbers with the 3-digit numbers and we'll get the 4-digit numbers. Okay children, so children, this is all about for today, and in next session children we are going to do the numbers which are 4-digit numbers. Okay, so we'll do in next section about 4-digit numbers. So children, thank you, goodbye, and your homework is to exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay children, goodbye children.